Hello everyone, welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. My name is Livered Brennan Wolf. And this is my very first and ever Let's Play on the channel. Oh, sorry guys, I glitched. It's just a thing that happens to me every time I... Oh yeah, wait, we can just go to this area, right? Okay. Sorry guys if I actually glitch out every 5 minutes. Okay, we need... Oh, here it is. Oh, this is gonna be cool. I love this game. Yeah, I'm a 2000... Oh, do you know what model I am? I'm actually from the... Okay. Okay, we can go this way.
Push up and down to select which ring is active. Push left and right to rotate the ring.
Oh, I have to hide jump. Sorry guys, I'm actually glitching a lot today. It's because my model is old. Ugh. Okay, we need to... Yeah, sorry, my model is pretty old. I'm from 2028, which is long before in the future, before you humans are like... Oh, thankfully I got up there. Sorry guys if I like glitch every 5 minutes, it should be good. Oh, I almost got me killed. Okay, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for now jump. Oh, that was cool. Oh, next another puzzle that I can do. Okay, yeah. Let's control this one first. Yes. Should I get these bolts or should I wait? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, I'm sorry. Were you videoing?
No more. I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna stop recording.
I suppose I did.
Is your current occupation leaving a rotten taste in your mouth? Then you need to know about BTS.
Oh, that sounds really cool.
I'm Supreme Secretary.
Ugh. I just glitched again.
Motivated individuals to fill positions in these exciting careers. Grind group tester, warhead assembly technician, robot repairman, sub cannon test dummy, and administrative assistant. So call
Bye.
BTS. Build our weapons while you build your future.
I'm calling BTS today.
Now we're talking. Did you see all the cool gadgets they're making? Let's go get some.
No, we must continue our search for Captain Quark.
You're absolutely right.
I am.
Sure, we need to find Quark. Although when we find him, wouldn't it be nice to be able to tell him where Chairman Drek is?
I suppose.
Well, we go to the space station and talk to the scientists. They work for Drek, so they're bound to know where he is.
I am unsure about your logic.
You think too much. Come on, let's go.
Well, I guess we can go to the next planet now. That was very interesting. Okay, let's get in the ship. Time to go to the space station level. If we fail like one time, we'll actually end the video. Because I don't want to be filming all day. Ugh. I need to get myself fixed. Like, seriously, like, really bad. Okay. If we die once. So I think... So Livered Polly will do... So Livered Halo will do that one next. Okay, we're gonna go this way. We're gonna get the grind boots first. Oh wait, I'm gonna go back. Hang on. I'm gonna go back and reload my weapons. Dang it! I just hit the
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Hello, dude.
Oh, that's a nice one.
We can't buy that one yet. We don't have enough bolts.
Oh, that's a nice one.
We're good. Let's go. Oh, there's free secret areas. Never mind. There's free secret areas. So Liver and Halo have to get this in the next Let's Play if I don't finish this. Sorry guys if I glitch every 5 seconds.
Need a little help with these enemies? Try a Gadgetron Taunter. Available at any Gadgetron vendor.
See how I can just throw the bombs all the way from over here? Oh, that was a long glitch. I should get my model fixed. Okay, I'm gonna... Should I open this? I think I should. I wanna hurry up. Okay, I'll just get to some other time. There's nothing really important in there anyway, so at least I don't think. Where's the crouch button? Let's see. Okay, I guess. You know what, I'll end it. Please give this video a thumbs if you liked it. Please subscribe if you want to see Haley, Livered Haley, do the next Let's Play. And comment. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, everybody!